Station 3 now. Oh, ho, ho. Station 3 is about spreadsheets. You gotta love spreadsheets. Spreadsheets are used when you have a table of values or if you need to find the slope or rate of change. You just need two values to do that, okay? So let's get going. Okay, look at our first problem here. A line goes through the points, and what is the slope of the line? We could do this with a spreadsheet. So we're going to go to our calculator. We're going to hit menu. We're going to go to calculate, and then hit menu. Our statistics is 6. Stack calculations is 1, and then a linear regression is 3, okay? Now then I'm going to hit X, down, Y, down, and then enter. And, I'm sorry. I got to go to a spreadsheet first. So home, and then I'm going to create a spreadsheet 1, and then I do not want to save anything. I'm going to add a spreadsheet 4, sorry about that, and then hit X. I need to put X and Y at the top. And now then I'm going to put my point in. My X's are 8 and negative 10. And my Y's are going to be negative 17 and 10. Sorry about the beginning when I messed up here. So we have to add a spreadsheet. We're going to put our 2 points in. Now then, make sure that blue box is nothing else there. Then you're going to hit menu. Statistics is 4. Stack calculations is 1. We want the linear regression, mx plus b. X, down, Y, down, and enter. And bam, right there is my slope. It's negative 1.5. On the test, it's probably going to be a fraction. So hit Control C to copy, then hit Home, and then A to calculate, and then menu, number, approximate the fraction, menu 2, enter. Oh, I gotta hit Control V first. I'm sorry, Control V. I got my negative 1.5. Then menu 2. Jiminy crickets. Menu 2, and then enter. And then the negative 1.5 is going to be negative 3 over 2. Okay, so my first answer is negative 3 over 2. Let's go to the second problem. Okay, we want the linear function of this table. We can easily do that with a spreadsheet. So go to your calculator. You're going to hit Home. You're going to click 1 for new. You do not want to save anything. You're going to add a spreadsheet 4, and then we're going to do X and Y at the top. Always put X and Y at the top. Now then, let's put our X's in. Negative 3, 6, 12, and 15. Do the same thing for the Y's. Negative 6, negative 3, negative 1, and 0. Notice the 15 would be a 0 of a function because it outputs 0. And then menu 4, 1, 3, right? Menu, statistics, Jiminy crickets. Menu, statistics, stack calculations, linear regression, X, down, Y, down, enter. And bam, we got it right here. Notice my slope is another decimal, but my B is negative 5, okay? So I'm going to go to my paper. My B equals negative 5. Now then, I'm going to go and find my slope, okay? I need to copy the 0.333. So Control C, copies. I'm going to go to my Home and calculate A. Now then, I'm going to hit Control V to paste. I got my 0.333 in. Now then, menu, 2, enter. And bam, the 0.333 is 1/3 in it. So I'm going to go to my paper. Get to my paper. And then my M is equal to 1/3, right? So the equation is going to be Y equal 1 over 3X minus 5. Ho, 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 ho. Now then, the last one. Okay? We're fertilizing crops and we want to find the linear function that represents the data. So we're going to make another spreadsheet here. I need to hurry up so I can save time. So we're going to hit Home, 1. We're not going to save anything. We want a spreadsheet 4. Type in X and Y. And then we're going to hit 1, 2, 3, 4 for our X. And then we're going to hit our y is 30, 37, 41, and 44. And then hit menu, 4, 1, 3, X, down, Y, down, and hit enter. And notice right here, our R is not 1, okay? I'm going to talk to you. Do y'all see the R is 0.998? That's the correlation coefficient, and the dots are almost all close to the line. But my M is 4.6, and my B is 26.5. The R tells you how strong of a correlation that is. They may want to know that on the star. So the R is 0.98. It's not R squared, it's R. So my equation would be 4.6 and 26.5. Y equals 4.6x plus 26.5. That's my M and my B. Y'all are going to do amazing on your benchmark tomorrow. Remember how to do a spreadsheet. You are amazing. You are created to do wonderful things, and you are awesome.